Welcome to our mobile service, where we bring the service to you. In this guide, we'll explain how to book your mobile appointment and what you can expect when we arrive. Our mobile vehicle service is designed to bring the service lane right to your doorstep. At home or at work, our trusted journeyman technicians will drive to you equipped with genuine parts and the knowledge to service any make or model with precision. Our van can complete oil changes and fluids, tire rotations, multi-point inspections, air, cabin, and fuel filters, recalls, wiper blades, rock chip repairs, brake pad, rotor, and caliper services, battery charging, battery replacement, replace lamps and bulbs, Ford software updates, light repairs that can be done without a hoist and safely on the ground. When we arrive, our friendly journeyman technician will introduce themselves and confirm the details of your appointment. We'll complete a walk around of the vehicle and multi-point inspection. They'll perform the agreed upon service. The mobile service van is equipped with vessels to gather any discarded fluids, supplies, and replaced parts. We won't leave any mess. When the service is completed, our technician will return your keys and invite you to review the inspection and the vehicle to ensure complete satisfaction. They can then process your payment and earn Ford Pass reward points before leaving. Demands on your time are always changing, so we want to make servicing as convenient and easy as possible. The high-quality standards and professional experience you're used to at our service shop and Quick Lane continue with our mobile service. We guarantee an excellent experience wherever you are. If you have any questions or would like to book a mobile service appointment, please contact our service team. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to taking great care of you.